Hey guys, it's Michael, and in today's video, we're going to talk about the stock market and why it increased sharply earlier today after 4 straight weeks of losses, and how Nancy Pelosi and the second stimulus package have a lot to do with that. Then we're going to go over Spotify and how it was one of the big movers earlier today in the market, and how Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, actually came out and spoke about Spotify and some very shocking and surprising news there. And finally, we're going to go over Tesla and big news that happened over this weekend, and also news that came out earlier this morning on their battery production. So if you're interested in Tesla, Spotify, investing in general, and you enjoy this content, well then please be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. So first, with the stock market today, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and NASDAQ were all up above 1% today. Shares of major tech companies rose broadly today, including shares of Facebook, Amazon, Apple, and Netflix. They all increased in price today. But the reasoning behind this increase is because the sentiment on Wall Street got a boost after House Speaker Nancy Pelosi said yesterday on Sunday that a last-minute stimulus bill still remains on the table, as House Democrats are currently working on a $2.4 trillion second stimulus package. She explained how the House could vote on the bill as soon as next week, and this caused a lot of optimism in the markets. So while the price tag of this bill is $2.4 trillion, and this is well above what Republican leadership has indicated they are willing to pass, Nancy Pelosi came out yesterday and said that she thinks they will be able to agree on this bill and that they will get a second stimulus package passed. And this was the main driver for the rally in the market today. Investors and top analysts have continually said for the last couple of weeks how you want to be invested in the market if a stimulus bill is passed, because this would inject trillions of dollars into the US economy and likely lead to a major boost in the stock market as well. In addition, investors have cheered a slew of corporate deal-making activity today because Devon Energy and WPX Energy announced they will move forward with a merger, and Caesars Entertainment disclosed a cash offer to buy London-based William Hill for £2.9 billion. So between Nancy Pelosi and all of the optimism with the second stimulus package and these new mergers and deals that are taking place, this caused the stock market overall to increase today. Now let's go into Spotify, and surprising news here. In an interview the other day with Mark Zuckerberg, he came out and said how he spends more time on the app Spotify than just about any other app on his phone, and that is basically his favorite app. So anyways, let's take a quick look at what he had to say about it.
Favorite non-Facebook app?
Yeah, I mentioned Spotify earlier. I probably spend more time in Spotify than almost any other app. I like music a lot.
Same.
I think Daniel is a great entrepreneur and a good person. And it's a good company, and I think they've just done a great job with their work.
So essentially, this is huge because for an app like Spotify, the more time people spend on the app, on their phone, the more money Spotify can make. It's all about how much attention can they have from its users. While Mark Zuckerberg isn't known for investing, it's pretty simple. If you think about it, most people spend a lot of time on Spotify on their phone, and I know for me it's probably an app that I use the most. When I go to the gym, when I'm walking my dog, I'm always listening to music on Spotify. And currently Spotify right now has 299 million total monthly active users, including 138 million premium subscribers as of the end of June. So while Spotify is big in the music space, they're not just known for music, because they have made major moves in the podcast space recently by signing an exclusive agreement with Joe Rogan and his podcast. In addition to this, Spotify also acquired Bill Simmons' The Ringer, which is a podcast and media business, for around 180 million euros or $211 million. So if you're looking for an investment long-term, Spotify is definitely a great option. Mark Zuckerberg says he uses it all the time. I use it all the time, and 299 million people are actively using this app every single month. So they have a lot of growth potential moving forward. Now let's finally get on to Tesla and a couple of important pieces of information that came out earlier today. So early this morning, it was announced that Tesla is looking to acquire a stake in LG's upcoming separated battery business, according to a surprising news report. The Korea Times, a news outlet based in South Korea, like LG, reports that Tesla is interested in acquiring a stake in the upcoming battery company, and they said Tesla is looking to acquire a stake in LG Energy Solution, soon to be separated by LG Chem, to procure a stable supply of batteries. Essentially, they're doing this because they're looking to grow their battery business and they need more batteries. So acquiring this would be huge for Tesla. And on top of this, in other news, for those of you who didn't see over the weekend, Tesla had a major new info come out on the lawsuit between Tesla and Nikola. I addressed this in detail in a video yesterday, which I'll link down below, but it's important to touch on again. So essentially, Tesla is in a lawsuit with Nikola, where Nikola is suing them for about $2 billion for infringing on the Nikola 1 truck design. Essentially what happened though is Tesla came out and they explained how the Nikola 1 truck design was bought from a third party and wasn't even made by Nikola. So this was huge news because they're essentially saying that Nikola is suing them for a design that isn't even theirs. So anyways, that's just a quick update on what is going on with the stock market, why it increased today, why Spotify is a good investment long term, and what Mark Zuckerberg had to say about it, as well as some new information on Tesla. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below, and get $20 when you download the M1 Finance app using the link as well. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like the video down below, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.